Hey everybody, welcome back to Boost Your Income with Bootstrap to WordPress. This lecture is called Code the Boost Your Income section. Check it out. All right, folks, and in this section, we're going to be coding the How You Can Boost Your Income section right here. It's very simple, straightforward. There's not a lot to it. Background texture, got some graphics, text. It's obviously very copy heavy. What we're going to be doing to save you time on that, you can go ahead and in your course files folder in miscellaneous, you should have a copy deck there with all of the text that I have on the homepage and the resources page, both very copy heavy. You can just copy and paste this stuff. If you don't want to use it, that's fine. You can use Lorem Ipsum or whatever copy you want to do. All right. Go to your code editor, scroll to your Boost Your Income section right here. Give that section the ID of Boost Income. Within there, we're going to give the div with the class of container. By now, you should understand what the container does. If not, let me give you a little refresher. The container looks like this. It is this stuff right here. It centers the content in the middle of the web page. The whole section, the ID of Boost Income, is this, and it is as wide as the browser window, no matter how wide it is. But if we wanted to center our text and have it have access to the Bootstrap rows and columns and such, you need to put it inside a container. And this is the container. All right. Inside our container, we're going to have a div with the class of section-header. And that will be section-header. Boom. All right. Inside here, an image. The source of assets / img for image / icon-boost. There's an icon called icon boost in your images folder or your img folder. That alt will be chart because it is a chart. Under that level 2 heading, how you can boost your income right there. All right, after our section header, let's add a paragraph. Give that paragraph the class of lead for some leading text, and go ahead and add that copy that I provided. We don't have to spend time. This isn't a copywriting class. This is a coding class. So just go ahead and add your Lorem Ipsum or the content that I provided in the copy deck right there. After that paragraph, we're going to go ahead and add a div with the class of row. That is a Bootstrap class. Inside that row, you guessed it, div with the class of call, small, and this will be 6. We want 2 sections side by side in the web page here. So we're going to use 2 6 columns. If that makes sense, 6 plus 6 is 12. That means we will have 2 columns technically side by side. Really, it's 6 columns side by side, but we're utilizing 6 columns wide to create a 2-column look. Hopefully that makes sense. All right. Inside our first call SM6, level 3 heading, make money on the side. Good spelling, Brad. There we go. Paragraph. Inside that paragraph, we got some text. You got it. Copy and paste. All right. And in our next column here, level 3 heading, create a full-time income. And then we're going to have some text here inside a paragraph tag. There it is. Save that. Why don't we give it a look to make sure it looks awesome? It doesn't really look that awesome because things aren't centered. That means we have to do some CSS. Great. Let's jump into our CSS. All right, here we are in our CSS. Under the layout, this is where we're going to do some styles for the layout of our web page. We're going to use many sections, and we have been using section tags a lot. So we're going to style the section tag in general. Give it padding 80 pixels on the top and bottom, none on the sides. Save that and give it a little look here. You can see we gave some breathing room for our section. Great. We also have section header class. We want to text align that center. Check it out. See how we text aligned our section header. All right, inside our section, we typically use some level 2 headings. We want some margins there, 20 on top, 0 on the sides, 40 on the bottom. We're also going to be using some section H3s, margin 30, 0, and 10. These styles are just kind of predetermined. I already did the design work and I know that these styles work. And so yeah, just go ahead and copy those, add those in. Save it, check it out. Okay, here we go. We got our level 2 headings, got some margin, level 3 heading. Looks good. This is looking like our final site. Perfect. Looks identical. All right. That is the how you can boost your income section. I'll see you in the next lecture where we're going to be jumping down and coding ourselves the who should take this course section. Again, very simple. We're just going to be doing some copy and some CSS. See you there.